that is database management system. Okay, we can get it from Microsoft Office. Okay, you have to click on access. In this we can create database, we can maintain a database, and we can also search, modify the database. Okay, so how we can create a database, let us see. You have to click on blank database. You can give database name, for example we'll take like patient database. Okay, we have created this patient database. Now here, whatever data we want to insert, we have to insert in table format. Okay, so you have to click on table. After click on view, you can give a table name, that is will give patient table name. Okay, see, our table is created. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add different fields here. Okay, like IDs, by default we should put like it is, since it is a primary key. Okay, primary key is a unique key which is not going to be same. Okay, and it is very easy to find with the help of primary key. Okay, next we want to insert, suppose, patient name. Okay, so here there are different options, that is short text, long text, number, date, time, currency, auto number, yes, no, hyperlink, attachment, like this, calculated, lookup wizard. Okay, so it can mean short text. Then next we need, I think, mobile number is important. Okay, so it is a number, so we'll select it as a number. Okay, like this we can enter address. Okay, so instead of taking short text, here we will take long text. Okay, now gender. So for gender there is no option, or there may be any kind of field you want. For that, here there is no option. So what we can do, we can also create our own options by clicking lookup wizard. Okay, here you have to select, I will type the values that I want. Whatever options you want to give, you have to type. Next, then whatever options you want, suppose male, female, here we have taken the options. We'll click on next, and we do not want to limit test, and also we do not want multiple values, so we'll just click on finish. Okay, so like this table is created. Now we have to save this table. How we are going to save this table? We have to click on patient table. He will ask to save the table. Yes, we are going to save it. Now see the fields, and we can insert the different names. For example, our first patient is Rahul, and his suppose I am writing here, there is a mobile number. Okay, I am writing some alphabets, so he will give you warning. Okay, so what we have to write, we have to write only numbers, since we have allotted that field for numbers only. Okay, suppose we have written address. Now see, in gender we have given options. Whatever options you have given there will be appeared here. Okay, like this. Now I want to enter another field, address. Okay, so like this you can enter n number of data. Okay, see, okay, so this is how our database is created. Now you can create your database. You have given the table name, you can insert the database, whatever field you want you can insert it. Okay, see, if you click on view, suppose you want to add some another field, you have to click on view. Okay, if you don't want, you can again click on patient. You can see the data whatever is there. Okay, by this you can create your own database. Now next thing we are going to learn, we are going to create a form. Okay, you have to click on form wizard. Whatever fields you want, you can add one by one, or directly you can click here and you can add all the fields, whatever fields you want. Suppose there are different tables, so here there are options for tables also. Okay, I will show you how you can create also another table also. So you have to click on next, whatever format you want, in tabular, columnar, or justified, whatever it may be, you can select that. Okay, and then finish. See, it is in now in form format. Okay, see, now what is the use of form? You can search, modify, you can insert new, also you can insert new information as well as delete the old information. Okay, if you think that this information is not needed now, so you can delete it. See, by clicking here you can see one by one. Suppose you want to find a patient by name, you can write. See, I can see the name, I have written Rahul. By this you can search easily with the help of form. You can insert new record also. Since id is primary can, it is auto number, it will increase by automatically. Okay, I will write. Okay, okay, here we have given the option. So our new is also, new record is also saved. Okay, you have to click here on save. Let us check. See, third one was Nikhil and fourth one is Karan. Okay, suppose you want to delete record, you can also delete a record. Suppose I want to delete our first record, so you have the option here, delete record, so it is automatically deleted. Okay, so our first record is deleted. Yes, so like this you can also modify, you can search, you can insert new record with the help of forms. So here we have created forms. The other thing, again we are going to our tables. The other thing, see here the option is deleted, it comes. Okay, we have inserted new registration in patient in form, that's why the last current will appear in this only. Okay, not in table. Okay, now we want to create a report. Okay, how we can create? See, for form wizard, for report it is report wizard, it is also very easy. We'll select all. Yes, we want in tabular form, and we'll finish it. See, this is our report. Okay, what happens while creating report and form? The only difference is that in report you cannot change it. Okay, you can only view it, you cannot modify or search or whatever things we are doing in forms. You cannot just, when you want to view it, you will create a report. Okay, the last thing I want to explain you, that is, you can also create different tables. Suppose we have created a table of patient, now we are going to create a table of hospital. Okay, here we have created. Now we can write different fields as we have done in for patients. Hospital name. Okay, it will be in short text. Then what are the facilities? Okay, his number. Okay, it is in number format, so we can select it in number like this. Okay, and again you have to save it. Okay, again you can insert the different values for hospital also. Okay, like Kamal Bajaj, facilities like multi specialty hospital, mobile number XYZ, like this. Okay, like this Sigma, you can write whatever you want. Okay, like this you can create n number of tables. You can create forms for these tables also. You can also create a form for hospital also report of it. And with the help of form, you it is very easy to search, delete, and use other options also. Okay, so this is what about MS Access. We use MS Access for creating different database. We have a database capacity of 2 GB. Okay, we have maximum database size can be used in MS Access is 1 GB. Maximum tables we can insert, that is 255 tables. In that we can insert different records, we can use different forms, we can also use different reports. Okay, it is very easy. Hope you understand well. Thank you.